Okay, we're on this Hawthorne bike path. Here it is. It's in Gainesville. It's like almost 30 miles long. Look how nice it is. Wow. Very nice. Hey, this is really nice. Pretty flat at this point. We just started. We parked in a parking area. It's a beautiful day to go biking. It's like mid-60s, sunny, no clouds, no humidity, no bugs. That's what I like. Mid-60s is good weather. Very nice. We'll see how many miles we do. This thing goes about, I don't know, 16 miles, Vicky said. I don't think I'm gonna do 16 miles. But we'll see what we get. Now we're going downhill a little bit. Pretty nice, huh? Well, I don't know how the video's gonna come out. We're going into the sun, but that's the way it is in this direction. Now they say we can find alligators here, huh? That'll be something. Looking out for alligators. There's almost nobody on this path. There's a few people here we're coming up to. We'll see you later.
Yep.
Wow. All right, well, I'll turn it back on when I find something more interesting. We're in the beginning of the ride here, about the first half mile. Okay, they have overlooks on this bike path. This is one of them. This is called the Sweetwater Overlook, whatever that means. But we're gonna drive up to this overlook and see. Oh, they got a nice little circle here. Hey, they did this right. This is very nice. Look at that, right? Get back around in a circle. And we're here at the Sweetwater Overlook. Let's see. Sweetwater Overlook. Let's see where we're at. We're here. It says, let me see. Hold on a minute. I gotta get the bike. This says Sweetwater Overlook. We're right there. Let's go check it out. Let's go see the Sweetwater Overlook. Hey. Look at that. See, there's some water out that way. I see birds flying. Nice. Boy, what a nice day. Man, can't turn this down. Got a little bench here you can sit on. Very nice. Alright, we'll keep going. We'll show you some more around. We're going to be going on this path. I'm going to be going that way. So we'll see what we find. Alright, see you later. Okay, we're going back on the path. That used to be a lake that somehow got drained in the 1890s by something happened. Some kind of environmental issue. So that was the overlook, look, Sweetwater. Now we're back on the path, and look at it, it's nice and shaded. So I guess in the summertime people are not going to be cooking here. Right now in January, you know, we're like 60. Let me see what the weather is. I think it's 60. We got on, it was like 62 degrees when we got on the path. Let me see what it is here now in Gainesville. It says 61. right now. Sunny. Beautiful. I gotta catch up to Vicky there. Look at her. She's moving. Alright, we'll get back to you. Okay, we're on the path. Look what I found here. They got a fire going. Look at this. I hope Vicky doesn't get asthma attack from all this smoke. It's all smoky. Smells like they're burning incense. Pumpkins. That's what it is. Remember those pumpkins you used to burn? It's like burning pumpkins. I'm surprised they let us ride the bikes on this fire. They're doing a fire here. It's a prescribed fire. See that? They're burning the underbrush so we don't get big fires, I guess. Look at that. It's all controlled. Even though it's kind of windy out. I'm kind of surprised they're doing a fire with this a little bit of wind we have. But they're doing it. They do these prescribed fires in the wintertime, they say, in Florida. So you can see it's all smoky here. See that? They got these little fires they started. See, this one here looks like it's burnt out. Look at that. See? They're burning out the underbrush so you don't have any massive fires. Interesting. Alright, we'll show you some more. Okay, we found the Prairie Creek boardwalk. Vicky's ahead of me, so I had to turn the camera on. And I can't get more. There we go. This is the boardwalk. Look at this. You can ride your bike on this. Look at it. It goes over this creek. Look at it. Feel like this looks like Pirates of the Caribbean. Look at the swamp underneath us. Look at that. I tell you right now, man, I feel like Pirates of the Caribbean here. Huh. This is like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Check that out. It's all swamp. Wow. Fishing and entry beyond this point not allowed. Look at that. It's flowing too. Yeah. Wow. Check that out. It goes all the way down there. You could go down there in a canoe maybe. Watch out for the alligators. That's what I would say. Lots of alligators. See, there's the boardwalk we just came on. The main path's right up that way. So this is called Prairie Creek. It's part of the bike path and walking path, whatever you want to do. Very interesting. Look at those trees, they're underwater, kinda, you see?
And here's a fishing lure in the tree, Jack, look.
There's a fishing lure, it says no fishing.
Yeah, on this point.
Oh, you could fish up to there? Oh. Oh yeah, I see fishing line all stuck. Look at that. Huh.
There's the lure, you see it?
Oh yeah. Huh. Someone lost a lure. That's a spinner.
I don't see any alligators.
Spoon, I mean. A spoon. No alligators. Thank the Lord. Whew. Alright, we'll show you some more. Okay, we just turned around. We did 7.5 miles one way. So far, so good. It's a little windy going this way. Looks like we were going with the wind. Now we're going against the wind. That's weird. See, you can see the trees there. They're going against us. We're running into the wind. We have to use more juice. And my bike's going to hit 400 miles. I'm at 399 on the bike since new. We're going to be hitting 400 miles here in this Florida swamp bike ride. I feel like in the prehistoric era. I don't know how the Indians lived here with the alligators. They must have had some stories about that. Alright, well, we'll show you some more when we get down the line here. So we're heading back. We did 7.5 miles one way, and it'll be 15 total by the time we get back, maybe a little more. Alright, see ya. Okay, we just crossed a sign that said wildlife crossing. So there might be a wild animal in here somewhere as we go. They say you can see alligators, turtles, deer. I didn't see nothing. I see blue sky and sun. Trees. I don't see any alligators. And if I did, I'd be scared. Nothing out here. We're about halfway back. Alright. We'll keep going. Alright, we're back where the fires are at. You can see the smoke. Alright, we're going to this lake overlook. This is the last overlook on the trail. We missed it going out, so we're going to see it on the way back. So we missed that turn to go to this overlook, but we knew we could get it on the way back because we go back and out. They say you see wildlife here. I didn't see nothing. I see swamp, pine trees, live oak, prescribed fires. So let's see what it looks like up here. We'll be back. Okay, we're at Alachua Lake, Gainesville Hawthorne State Trail. We're still on the same trail. See, they got Indian stuff here. Wow, check this out. Let's go see the Alachua. Oh, there it is. Oh wow, that's a big lake. Look at that. That's not a little tiny thing. Wow. Check that out. The Alachua Lake Overlook. Wow. Hey, that's pretty cool. And then over here we got swamp. Restoring and reconnecting. See, they got the fires. Oh, what is that? Is that a pig? Wow. Wild hogs. They have wild hogs. This is Fort Tavener, built 1830. Wow. Osceola and Seminole Warriors. The Battle of Black Point. Huh. So this is out in the wild, supposedly. We're in town, though, kind of. 22,000 acres. Payne's Prairie. First State Preserve, 1970. Very nice. This was worth the ride just to see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's what it looked like before humans. Very nice. Alrighty. We'll show you some more. Uh-oh. Something happened. It's still recording, but I can't turn it off. I have to turn it off this way. Oh, I just hit the wrong button. Ah. Okay, we just left the overlook for the lake. We're on our way back again. We got about maybe a mile and a half to 2 miles to go, and we'll finish our ride. It's been a nice ride. Can't beat it. The only weird thing was the smoke from that fire. Prescribed fires. I guess they do them sometimes in January 31st 2024. We got to a fire along the bike path. Okay, we'll show you some more. Here it is, the fire guys that set the fire. They keep an eye on it. Now we're going away from it. That was the beginning of the fire there. Okay. Okay, we're getting near the end. I'm at 14.9 miles round trip. We still got a ways to go though. It's gonna be close to 16 miles here. It is. We still gotta do this stretch. I hope I find a parking lot. I think we could. It's right. It's not that hard to find. I don't think. We shall see. Oh, look at the walking the dogs. Look at that. 1, 2. Let's check out the dogs while we're here. Got a gang of dogs there, huh?
Yep.
4 of them. All right. Yeah. This is the Sweetwater Overlook. We did that already. So that's right near where we started. All right. I'll get back to you. All right. We're almost back. If we continue on this path, believe it or not, it goes all the way to downtown Gainesville. They have a rail trail that you connect to, and you can go to downtown Gainesville. Isn't that neat? They got it set up nice here in Gainesville. We found a nice bike path. See those guys there? That you can see that light of that bike coming from that side there. The downtown connection. Now I think this is where we parked. Right over here. To the right. There's our parking lot. Yep. That's it. 15.7. Almost 16 miles. Round trip. 16 miles. Yeah, it was pretty good. Nice ride. Here's some more guys going out. Okay. That's it. I would think. I got 15.8.
I got 16
You got 16?
on my bike. Let's see what I got on my watch.
What you got on your watch?
16.14.
16.14. Okay. See ya.